Hey guys, welcome back to another video on How Logical. In this video, I will show you how you can get logged into your ParentPay account. Now before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's move on to the video. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser on a PC. Now there on the URL bar, search for parentpay.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now once you search for it, you will be directly taken to its official homepage. Now there you will be able to see these two buttons for parents and for school login. Now in order to get logged into your ParentPay account, you have to tap on this red box which says for parents. And there in the expanded menu, you will see two options. Now from there, choose the second option, parent login. Now once you tap on it, you will be landed to its login page. Now here you have to provide your email address or username which you have used to create your ParentPay account and then enter your account password. If in case you have forgotten your password, you can retrieve it by tapping on forgetting your password link here. Now once you're done with typing in your email address or username and your password correctly, tap on login button. Now that was the quick and easy video on how to get logged into your ParentPay account. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.